Hi, I'm Gretchen Salinas, and I'm the Advanced Academics Coordinator and AVID District Director in Northeast ISD. Are you interested in enhancing your college, career, and life skills before you graduate? The AVID program can do all of that and more. AVID stands for the Advancement via Individual Determination. This national program is available at 21 of our NEISD campuses and focuses on three main components: academic instruction, tutorial support, and college readiness. What does this mean for you or your child? Every student in the AVID program spends one elective period each day setting goals and building the confidence to pursue their dreams and passions. This starts with additional academic support that encourages critical thinking, organizational skills, problem solving, and collaborative communication skills. Every student receives one-on-one and group tutoring to help improve their grades and confidence in the classroom. Students in the AVID program have a built-in support system that helps with college tours, career visits, college applications, and scholarships. Success builds confidence. AVID can help place your child on the fast track to their college or career of choice.
The AVID program is a college readiness program. It focuses on some of our kids who maybe need to have someone put more structures in place for them, maybe give them more direction on study skills, note-taking, organization.
It's honestly one of the best decisions I've ever made. It has really helped me improve my academic skills and my time management techniques.
It means a lot to me. It means family. It means pushing myself past my limits than I thought I would be able to. Just seeing the potential that others see in me.
The AVID program is a college readiness program for students that are looking to get a leg up during their high school career. So we're looking to teach them study skills, strategies for academic success within their more rigorous classes. So then when they are in high school, they get prepared when it comes to their years after high school.
This program has definitely helped me a lot with academic skills, with collaboration skills, and I think it's more important to be in this program because you want to be able to success. That's the goal for this program, is you want to be able to go to college, you want to be able to take these certain classes and be successful in life.
You're going to develop lifelong friends. Your team building will be really good.
I never really thought I would be able to do college, so AVID gave me a lot more confidence to be able to do so.
As a student, it's helped me learn how to organize, learn how to collaborate better, how to communicate with my teachers and my peers.
It's a whole nother experience. It doesn't feel like you're in school anymore. It feels like you're like on a team, doing fun things, you know?
Do you know where you want to go or who you want to be? And if not, maybe this is the place you start.
In AVID, we take a kid and we figure out really what they can do. And then we focus on what they can do and we magnify it. We give them the skills to be their best selves.
Thanks to AVID, I am graduating with honors, have been accepted to multiple universities, and have received many academic scholarships.
Do it. 100% do it. It's been really challenging and tough, but it has been one of the best decisions I've made. It's pushed me. Others see potential in me that I don't see, and it shows me the greatness that I have behind me, and it's really helped.
When you're ready to take the next step, we'll be there to help.